I thought Helium 10 was all I needed until I tried this tool. Let me give you a breakdown in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So if you look up on Google outlet stores, you're gonna find tons of outlet stores like Michael Kors, things that sell items like Hello Kitty, Nike outlet stores usually, and they're gonna be selling it for like 50% off, 80% off items that you can get and sell them for retail price on Amazon. So you can make a killing making tons of money, and they sell quick because you're selling a brand named product. And it's all legitimate, so you won't get taken down. So pretty much what we were doing is I found a store near me that sells tons of Hello Kitty and plushes, and I was like, I want to sell this on Amazon. So what I did, I went to Amazon, I tried to list the product, and then I saw that it was gated. So I was like, I want to sell it, and it was completely gated, and you can see I have to apply to sell, which is super annoying, and then I have to give all these special invoices. Anyway, it's really hard to get ungated on Amazon. It just takes a lot of extra time, and I want to sell products that I'm already ungated for. So what I did is I went to the outlet stores, and then I was like, let's see what they have. And I found a tool as well online called Seller Assistant app. And what this does is it has all these extensions, and it tells me which categories I'm already ungated for. So I don't have to look one by one and go through Amazon and say, am I ungated for this? And spend like 5 minutes going through 2 different products. What I can do is just type in Hello Kitty plush. If I'm at a Nike outlet store, I can type in Nike shoes. If I'm at Michael Kors, I could type in Michael Kors. But let me show you what happens. So I typed in Hello Kitty plush, and with this Seller Assistant app extension, it literally tells me right away if it's gated on my Seller Central account or if it's ungated. If it's ungated, like this one, that means I can sell it right away. I don't have to provide invoices. I don't have to provide proof to Amazon. I could just purchase the items and then resell it on Amazon right away for bulk, for retail price, right? And at the store I was at, they were selling these for $10, and I could sell them for $35. 600 bought in the past month, which is crazy. You can see it's ungated. I can click this little link right here, and then boom, I can just automatically request approval because it's completely ungated on here. Ungated, ungated, ungated. That means I can sell it right away. The one that I told you that was gated, you can see there's a lock on it. So that one I would skip over. So this is great if you're trying to make a quick buck, go to wholesale stores, just take pictures of all the items, come back, and then see, okay, which ones am I ungated for? Which ones can I resell on Amazon? And then you could find a niche that's very specific. And this is how you make quick money and make money long-term on Amazon, is going to be selling ungated products, because these types of items, they're showing up on page number 1. You don't have to run Amazon ads, right? So you can make a lot of money very quick selling branded, authentic items. 1,000 sold in the past month, ungated. This is a sleeping Hello Kitty, ungated, right? And we can look at Nike, we can look at Hello Kitty, right? We can look at Michael Kors, that's a big outlet store. And they have all different extensions. So they have alerts to see if people were reported recently on Amazon. So if we go here, you can see that this one is ungated, but it's high risk. So because you're competing against Amazon directly. So Amazon sells on this listing. So you need to have invoices and backups ready to go, because it is high risk even though we're ungated. But there are some that aren't high risk, like this one, 400 bought in the past month. There's no warning sign here. That means it's less likely that anybody was reported on this listing. You should be good to go to sell it, no problem, right? So a lot of different things on here. They have a VPN if you need that, brand analyzer, bulk restriction. You can also just put in tons of ASINs in bulk, and then it'll tell you if you're restricted or not. If you have a distributor, you can put in the distributor's information, and they've got a lot of bulk tools here. So this is one of the only tools I've seen that really tells you right away. They also have like a drop down, a dropout. If you click on the listing, it gives you all this other data. You're competing with Amazon. It has variations. They give you the UPC. They give you so much data. You can see how much if you bought it for. So if let's say it's on sale at our store for $4. we could see if we did FBM and shipped it ourselves, how much we could make, or if we did it FBA, how much money we could make per sale, right? So a lot of different, and it tells you if it's high risk. Look, suspected intellectual property violation was filed recently. This was in 2022 verified data. So you can kind of see different items and different perspectives on this. But this can help you make a lot of extra money. And me personally, it did help me make an extra $5,000 on the side because of the store close to us that sells Hello Kitties. I was like, let me test it out. And it worked. And we were able to sell extremely quickly with these numbers. So that's it for today's video. What features of Seller Assistant app do you think will help you change the game the most? Also, there's a link in our description for a discount for Seller Assistant app and a free trial if you want to try it out. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, finding retailers, getting you ungated, or anything regarding Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Our link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our #1 services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, getting your products approved, making sure you don't get infringement takedown, advertising, increasing sales. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time expanding your business instead of dealing with the daily operations like ungating approval and things like that. We'll do it for you so you can save time, make more money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.